Here at Spurling, we developed MyCustomCar to design and manufacture custom car seat covers that mould to the exact contours of your seat. The process begins in our Sydney-based manufacturing facilities. Before we manufacture a set of seat covers to fit a specific vehicle, we have to get exact measurements to create a pattern that will fit perfectly. Firstly, we source the specific vehicle. Then we trace seat outlines and mark out latch holes and seatbelt holes using clear plastic, which is then transferred onto a paper pattern sheet. Once we have this initial pattern, we prototype and adjust until we have an exact fit. When it's perfect, we create the final pattern sheet and digitize it using special software. Now we're ready to start making seat covers. When an order comes in, we collect the paper pattern of your specific vehicle. At the cutting table, we use this to mark up the face fabric, as well as the Neotex stretch backing. We cut the pieces needed with a pizza wheel knife. We also have a digital system that can cut out the fabrics automatically. These pieces are grouped and sent to sewing where they're joined and labels added. QA inspection is conducted, then the covers are folded and packed. Finally, the seat cover is packaged in an airbag satchel to be sent to you.